Is this thing on? I guess so. Huh.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
What's up, guys? My name is Cliff Gore, and I am the second guy of Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I am the film guy and editor of the channel, and I'm also help Cam come up with different ideas, even though he comes up with the most of them. He's a very creative guy. So, today I don't have a fragrance to bring, but I figured since I'm in charge today, you guys can hang out with me and get to know me today. But first and foremost, please go to Instagram, Cam.Byrd. Follow us there. And also on our Facebook, go to CFR Fragrance Lounge. That way, you can hang out with us. You can hang out with other frag heads and see what their sense of the day, evening, all that stuff, sell, buy, whatever you want to do, in reason, of course. Anyway, I wanted to bring up 5 facts, or at least try and bring up 5 facts for y'all to get to know me. Oh, it's cold. I love cold. Let's see. Number 5. Number 5. You're probably wondering, who is this other guy? And how does he know Cam? How did they get up together? Well, we go to the same church together. We're actually drummers on the same worship team. So, Cam was looking to do a fragrance review channel, and he knew I was a video guy. And he was like, I need a video guy. Cliff, can you do it? And I was like, fragrance reviews? That's a thing? I come from tech reviews and from, tech reviews, entertainment. So I was like, that's a thing? Fragrance reviews is a thing? He's like, yeah, bro, it's a thing. It's growing. I was like, okay. So we started working together, and whoa, there is a ton of fragrance review channels out there, and there are a ton of you guys out there, and it has been so fun and so great to meet other fragrance reviewers and actually collab with them, like Chris from Fragmental, Andrea from Curly Sense, Carlos from BFL, and then also Steve from Redolescence, and then some other stuff I can't talk about, but it's coming. Be on the lookout, all right? So that's how we met. We both go to church together. That's how CFR started. Was he had the idea, I had the means, we came together, and boom, there you have it. CFR has began 1 year ago. It's crazy. All right, number 4. Let's see. What could be a good number 4? YouTube channels. What YouTube channels do I watch? Well, apart from other fragrance channels that I have been introduced to, thanks to Cam, I watch mainly like Smosh, Good Mythical Morning, Corridor Digital, Cinecom.net, Valley Folk. There's a ton more that I watch that I can't think of right now. On the spot, crazy, I know, but yeah, that's the people I pull my inspiration from, or those other guys outside the fragrance world. And then also number 3. What is my number 3? I can't remember. It's like my third take too, so I don't know why. I can't remember what the third thing was. Oh yeah, if I can't find it and it's a little bit out of my price range, I go to today's sponsor, www.myfragrancesamples.com. Myfragrancesamples.com has hundreds of fragrance brands out there and fragrance houses to choose from. They go from 5 to 30 ml decants and even higher. They even have full bottles you can pull from. Use our code CFR15 to get 15% off your entire purchase. Again, go to www.myfragrancesamples.com. Use CFR15, get 15% off, and you will be golden at myfragrancesamples.com. All right, that's number 3. I guess I segued to number 3. Number 2. All right. Let's see. Number 2. I love Parfums de Marly. Yeah, we joke about Parfums de Marly because of the 4 for Life. That's where it all started, where you had this guy off of camera saying, "Parfums de Marly, why do they suck so bad?" Actually, I love Parfums de Marly. They're a great house. They smell fantastic. I wish I had some in my collection, but unfortunately not yet. I always get my smells from Cameron. But yeah, I think that's a good one. Number 1. What do you think my number 1 is? Leave a comment down below. Hit like, share. Oh, yeah. Number 1, how I actually got into film and editing. Well, like I said, beginning, I played drums. I've also been playing in bands on and off for about 15 years. So, one of the bands I am presently in, we went on tour probably about 4 years ago, and they needed a filmer for like highlights and stuff like that, and then edit it down. And that's where my the film and editing bug came from, was music. Aside from Carolina Fragrance Reviews and school, I'm also doing music videos and stuff like that as well. So I think that's 4. I put myfragrancesamples.com in number 3. I think that might have been a little cheating. I don't know. What can be one more? My parents taught me how to play drums. That's my number 1. My parents taught me how to play drums. My mom taught my dad, and they taught me. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for teaching me how to play drums. It's been fantastic. And thank you for watching this channel and subscribing to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. All of you guys, plus my parents. But anyway, I think that's it for today. It's been great hanging out with you. All right, so yeah, Cam wanted to make sure that I did this correctly. All right, so just don't make fun of me in the comments, please. All right, be disruptive. Wear what you want, when you want. Have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notifications bell. Leave a comment down below. Smash that like button. And we'll see you next time. Was that good? Okay.